In this video tutorial, you will learn how to disable directory browsing in WordPress. So, if your web server doesn't find an index file, it automatically displays an index page showing the contents of the directory. This makes your site vulnerable to hacks by showing the information needed to get into your theme or a plugin. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable directory browsing in WordPress very easily. So, to disable directory browsing, you need to access your root files using cPanel or FTP. So first, log into your cPanel account, and then click on File Manager. And since I'm working on my subdomain, I'll look for that folder. If you're working on your main domain, then open this folder called public_HTML, and double-click on the folder to open it. And here you can see that there's a file called htaccess. Right-click on the file. You can download the file as a backup from here. Then click on Edit. This pop-up is nothing but a reminder to back up your file, so click on Edit again. Now add this line of code to the bottom of this code like this. Then click on Save Changes. And close the file. Directory browsing is now disabled on your WordPress site, and people trying to locate a directory index on your website will now be directed to a WordPress 404 page. This is how you can disable directory browsing in WordPress. And that's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.